turn on or off education on your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off education on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and here click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and now click on privacy checkup, and like you see, click on your ad preference on Facebook, and now click on continue, next, and click on the last option, which is education, to decide if you want advertising to reach you based on this profile information. Turn off or on, and this is it. You choose what do you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.